Kain sa sayaw! Hi! It's our final day here in Dumaguete. Our flight will be later at 7 p.m. So we still have our last full day. Nag-rent ulit kami ng sasakyan, but this time it's a car. Mag-breakfast muna kami dun sa Painitan, which is quite near dito sa place namin. It's currently 7:21 and yung transportation or yung service na binook namin, we will be meeting him ng 8 a.m. Ayun. So I think yun public market. Kami kumakain. So, isang hilera pala sila ng Painitan. Okay, so nandito tayo kasi parang it's also one of the things na parang siguro dito ko lang din makikita. Ito may 5-star eats sa GrabFood kasi ito yung nakita namin sa Facebook. Pero I think pare-parehas lang din naman yung lasa. Magkano po yan?
10 pesos. Anong gusto nyo? Choco peanut, choco condensed?
Choco condensed po.
Dalawa kayo? Kain kayo dito?
Ako lang po yung kakain.
Wala, sige. Ako ka dito. Dito ko po, ma'am. May buwan dito ba?
Sige po.
Gara condensed.
Isa ka panhatlog ba?
Choco condensed. Ay, kuan. Choco.
Egg.
So, parang sticky rice yung
Dua ka pandesal, isa ka fried egg.
hindi siya regular rice.
At iya, panhatlog. Dua kami. Anong gusto ng drinks? Gusto mo ng sari-sari at choco?
Sige ho.
Yung sari-sari. Best seller namin yan.
Sige po.
Usa kami diyang sari dire, duwa dito, usa dire. Yes, burger buns, pandesal, pandesal. Pandesal na. Pandesal. Burger bun, oh.
Ikaw may mag-relation.
Okay.
Sarap siya.
Basta yung kuwan anak ko.
Pero di ba sa Thailand merong mango sticky rice? So, I really like their rice.
Thank you kayo.
Hindi siya sticky na sticky rice.
Sa dire, duwa ka.
Regular.
Hindi lagi ng sari ka. Sa dire, wala naman sila sari. Hindi pa. Pagkabali ko naman. Kasi mo sari na sila diya, oh. Namoy sari ko, okay? Sa iyo to.
Anong tawag dito kasi? Sari-sari?
Kung gusto mo ng pure chocolate lang.
Pero ito, ano yung ano niya?
Ang kanyang gatas, hot water at saka
May gatas.
Mama, water please. Salamat ba?
Breakfast done. Sa breakfast din. Tapos, ayun, tingnan mo yung mga namamalengke. Siyempre, pupunta sila dito to buy yung ano nila, palengke. Pero staple din yung ano, pandesal, no? Yung parang meron silang glass, ano. Parang nakikibaka yung mga tao. We paid 86 pesos for yun, yung sticky rice, condensed, tsaka yung chocolate na topping. Tapos, meron din na sari-sari, yung sabog nila, na drink. Ayun, again, parang yung chocolate nila is really real chocolate, not the powdered chocolate na nabibili sa grocery. So it's good. Tapos, ano pa ba yung binili? Hotdog and pandesal, tsaka water. Yung sari-sari, hindi siya matamis. It's more of milky than chocolatey. Tapos, tinanong nila kung masarap ba. Diba, normally, hindi mo na tatanungin yun. Lalo na dami yung customer eh. Pero, nasarapan ba kayo? Yung simple gesture lang na gano'n. It's a unique experience for me. Ayun, yung binook namin is a private tour, no? Para madala na lang namin sa sasakyan yung mga bags namin since diretso na kami sa airport after our tour. So ngayon, they provided a van. Diba? Good for how many people? Yung ina-expect lang namin is regular sedan or parang mini SUV. Pero, it's a van. Makakatulog tayo sa biyahe, if ever. Kasi medyo malayo yung Twin Lakes. So, dalawa yung itinerary na lugar. The Twin Lakes and the Valencia Tour. Yung Valencia Tour kasi is malapit lang naman. Tapos yung mga attractions na pupuntahan is malapit-lapit lang. So, again, we are packed for the day. Tapos, hopefully, we can buy Sansrival before we head out to the airport. We checked out after we ate breakfast sa palengke and nandito na rin yung van agad. Dayon.
Tuloy. Tuloy po.
Ang cute na ano nila. Information Center. So it's currently almost 9. You are here. Yintabo. Yun, nakikita natin kanina. Sa likod niya pala yung ano.
Dito tayo.
Yung Kabalinaan pa. Yeah. Meron tayo. So, restaurant viewing day.
Ginsayaw.
Tawag na ma'am, Lake Balinsasaya dahil yung form ng ano, parang akala mo lumilipat na ibon. Ito yung buntot, dalawang pakpak. Mamaya, dito tayo sa workshop. Parang kita sa dalawang. Tapos itong lake na to ma'am, dito yung nagsusupply sa ano ng tubig.
Tatlong mount to. Mount Ginsayawan, Mount Mahayag, Magintabon. Ayan. I can hear the sounds. Alin yan? Kabalinaan Pond.
Tilapia.
Kabalinaan Pond. Oh, cute. There is no Wi-Fi in the forest, but you will find a better connection. Ibon.
Ito yung nakikita mo sa ano, yung pinaka-trademark ng Balinsasaya. Nakikita nyo sa Google. Yung mga puno, akala mo mga patay pero buhay naman.
Di ba sila nabubuhay? Di ba sila nag-ano ng dahon?
Hindi pa. Lagi talagang ganyan ma'am. Yan talaga yung natural nila na ano.
Buhay pala yung mga yan.
Yung akala yung mga puno ng saging. Aba yan. Yan yung materials na ginagawa ng lupit.
Nag-picture kami dito. And surprisingly, it's a pretty nice experience, nice view din sa pictures. Ang gandang tingnan sa pictures kasi sobrang green ng background. Welcome to Balinsasaya! I don't know if you can hear the birds, but I can clearly hear them. It's a nice view. So this is the viewing deck. Tapos you can actually buy some items here. Let's check what items they have. May mga birds of the Philippines, butterflies of the Philippines, snakes. So it's by Haring Ibon. Ayan, so meron silang iba-ibang mga items for sale. So I am actually drawn to buy the playing cards. I don't know if how much it actually is. Ayan, tapos meron silang washing area dito. After buying some souvenir for ourselves, not actually for other people, I bought playing cards na parang collectible ko lang. We're going sa baba. Ito siguro na medyo matarik or steep. A very steep walk pababa dun sa lake. So sana hindi tayo madulas. Mukhang madulas, may mga green. Buti na lang, medyo bago yung tsinelas natin, no? Kasi may mga tsinelas tayo. Madulas na, wala nang grip. Ay, ayun. Tignan mo yung lakad natin. Just how steep. Lakad-lakad lang. So ito, mga bato-bato na, no? At saka patag na.
Boating na lang. Ang tamad.
Trekking doon, mga 30 minutes or 1 hour.
Yung kung boating, gaano katagal yun?
Paano lang? 20 minutes lang.
20 minutes, balik na.
Hindi.
O,
1 hour din.
Akala ko saglit.
Pagpunta doon sa kabila.
So, two options to go on the other side is either to go trekking or boat. Ang boat daw is 250 for both of us na. It will take around 1 hour then of a boat ride. We opted for the boat ride para hindi na masyadong pagod and also to appreciate the lake more. Ano pa?
Bilaan kayo mama doon siya para patay mo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Madali lang na makita yung alam na nila pag ganyan, magamit pa, malapit ang ulan.
Ayan yung ano no, ginsayaw. Mount Ginsayaw.
Ginsayawa.
Ginsayaw. Bakit tinawag niya Mount Ginsayaw? Sumasayaw din. Yung diwata na sumasayaw din.
Fairy dance.
Critical endangered na sila no. Di ba mostly ang eagle sa Davao lang? Dito yan.
Dari sir na, ayos mo lang.
Okay.
Kala ko walang trekking. But, medyo basa.
Apa ni? Abakan din.
Can you see it? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Oh yeah. Yeah. Where she go? To say you. Dito na ba?
Still rough around the edges. I guess that some things never change. Yeah, I know that it's been ages, but it kinda feels the same.
Yes.
No matter how hard you try, you cannot push me out, so just listen. I've been thinking of you since you broke it and moved to LA. No matter how hard I try, I cannot get you out of my system.
This is the second floor.
Can you stay a bit longer? Can I make you change your mind? Yeah, I know that it's over. Can we stay for a while until everything's alright again? That's cool with you, cool with you, cool with you.
And another
That's cool with me,
short stairs.
cool with me. Is that cool with
Makita ko naman yung journey.
you, cool with you?
From here.
'Cause that's cool with me, cool with me, cool with me.
Hinanoy ni. Sisig ka no, ano? No, it's not sisig. Kaso, I think they have to repaint this na, no? Kasi, daming vandalisms. But the view is so nice. Maulan na. Yan, maulan. Okay lang yan. Lilipas din yan.
Ito yung pinaka-water supply ng buong Sibulan Municipality sa San Jose. Ang Dumaguete.
Oh no! It's raining!
Bawal maligo ka.
Alin?
Siguro naman.
Bawal maligo?
Bawal paliguan.
Ano ba?
Bawal maligo.
Dito? Kasi?
Kasi?
Water supply ng ano yun, ma'am?
Marumi.
Municipality na. Wala yun siya. Sibulan Dumaguete.
Can we stay here for a while until everything's alright again? That's cool with you, cool with you, cool with me. 'Cause that's cool with me, cool with me, cool with me. 'Cause that's cool with you, cool with you, cool with you. 'Cause that's cool with me, cool with me, cool with me. Just stay a little longer. Can I make you change your mind? Just stay a little before it's time to say goodbye. Just stay a little longer. Can I make you change your mind? Just stay a little longer before it's time to say goodbye. I guess that some things never change.
Yes. Picture.
Ang galing mo naman. Binigyan mo kami ng maganda yun.
Minsan lang to, sir.
Para kayo ba?
Bihira na makapicture yung bisita nito.
Hey, thank you. Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye. Kumakain din ng mga isda yan, di ba?
Oo.
Ilan yung sakto
Ilan
lang?
po kasya dito?
Ayun na yung ulan. Ayun na yung ulan. Malalaki naman. Baka mamaya.
Wala yun.
Meron ibang kumagat. Yan, dapat steady.
Heartbeats up and down. I'm in a gambling
Nila.
phase.
Unang lalaki dyan.
Going round and round. It's a trampoline stay. Oh, it's like I never run out of
Ang galing niya yung kalyo ko.
Can't
Ayun.
really make a mess. Doesn't matter what's coming next. So can we just be bonafide? Girl, you got me waking up confused, lost in time. Every morning tastes like someone in love. Summer sugar kisses left behind, and I don't wanna fall in love. Just wanna be yours.
Ano ko na lang. Para nakikita ko yung daan. Ayan. Learning something new every day.
Can we just be bonafide? Get stuck in this situation and let go all inhibitions now with no intermission. So goddamn cold. Tell me, 'cause you know what they say.
Magkano po ito?
50 then 70.
Lost in time. Every moment tastes like someone never been in love. Summer sugar kisses left behind.
We are here at the Ross Chicken Stand.
Wanna be in love. Let's keep it.
So meron silang inato, camaron rebosado, lechon kawali, grilled squid, boneless bangus, grilled tuna belly, grilled tanige, sinugbang pork. Ano yung sinugbang? Ayan, just in case na hindi pa masyadong na video kasi medyo malabo kaninang pagpasok natin eh. Ang ganda lang. Place. Para siyang mang inasal style. But different. Tapos meron siyang view of the sea. I don't know if naka-capture din siya sa screen. Pero that's the sea. So again, presko. Very presko ang vibes dito.
Humingi po ng kalamansi po.
Tsaka po isang plate. Thank you po.
Tapos na namin kumain sa Joe's Chicken Tinato by the Sea. Ayan, tapos nag-order ako ng mango sheet. It's by the Sea. Ay, hindi ito lang. Ano ba kayo? Doon tayo next doon sa sulfur. Ano bang tawag doon, Kuya? Sulfur
vent.
vent. Sulfur vent.
Yung mga pinaka-steaming ground ng punta ng mga Malinis.
Mount
Malinis.
Alinis. Parang nasa daan lang siya no? Alam mo sa ibang bansa may ganito din. Tayo bilang nasa dami namin ting mga bulkan, no? Ngayon lang tayo makaka-witness ng may mga sulfur vents.
Yung may 9,000 yung Sierra.
Rocky Road lang dito.
Tinatawag yung music fall.
Hoy!
Malakas lang yung pagtagulan. Ito yung summer, makina yan, parang yung nakalakaw.
Pero medyo malakas siya.
Hindi na pati summer dahil yung supply niya naman ginagawa na.
Anong tawag dito?
Oh,
Isik?
music.
Isik?
Tilamsik.
Isik Falls. It's on the road.
Kung papansin nyo, yung mga tubig yung kumukulo. Pwede ka magluto ng itlog yan within 10 minutes.
In 10 minutes luto na.
10 minutes, luto na siya.
Boil, ibig sabihin, kumukulo na talaga yung ano.
Walang tigil yan.
Bumaba kami dito sa may sulfur vent. So sabi ni Kuya, since umulan ng konti kanina, mas maano yung usok. So, ano ba umuusok ito? Ang init. Hindi ko alam kung dahil sa araw ano pero syempre. Parang talagang nasusunog lang na bundok. Diba? Parang out of the lupa ng bundok. Nagsisteam. And I therefore conclude na ngayon na naglalakad kami dito sa kalsada, no? Hindi naman masyado mainit. Doon lang mainit. So, dahil nga talaga siya doon sa ano. Ang galing. Amazing.
She said, hey you, isn't it funny how we always seem to meet every place in town? I must be lucky. You can take me high. Maybe I just wanna see you. I'll go anywhere, live to be there. It feels like I can fly. Think I'm gonna break the ceiling. I just wanna keep this feeling. You can take me. It's a small world in a big town. What are the odds I get to talk to you right now? Yeah, give me bad lines, give me butterflies.
Bibili muna tayo ng tickets dito sa Ulang Bata Falls. Meron. Isang daan. Dalawa. 200. Dapat sila meron mga guys. Barn. Let's try to go inside. Kasi boring pala. Boring style. Ito pala yung does it look like 3D? Oh, it's like 3D, diba? Ang galing. Amazing. Mahal namang magpa-picture, 100. Wow! So scary. Nag-picture lang kami doon dito sa windmill. Kiara out entrance. Ayan pa, meron pa pala sa taas. Turo muna tayo pumunta sa taas. Doon na muna tayo din sa Atenos Park. Meron kasing group kanina na tatambay dun sa lighthouse. And so, mga videos at attention na nakita ko are mostly parang medyo malayo siya sa lighthouse. Pero still, pa rin naman.
There's nothing upstairs na po. The gallery is closed kasi nag-expand po yung Starbucks.
Ay, sila na ng Starbucks.
Okay.
Nag-expand daw ang Starbucks.
Probably like this month or next year, pa po kami mag-build yung at mag-creating art gallery po lang po sa taas kasi small space.
Kaya nga. So, supposedly marami kayong Marami
Or
po.
yung wala pang Starbucks, malaki po talaga yung exhibit mo sa taas.
Oo.
Nakuha kung pagka nila. 131. But
Kahit yung ano.
whenever we have exhibit po sa Henry's door ko lang po kami lagi. Ready for this?
Art.
Ayun yung art na. Different local artists po. Depende po sa art.
Ang galing.
Not just a bookstore, it's an experience.
With the sounds, ha? What? Ay, ang cute! Oh. Roots of the Philippines. Ito sa fruit map of the Philippines. Coffee beans, coffee drip, magandang mangoes tablea, 100% pure cacao. Intense peanut butter. So may diverse all of these flavors. Doing different. May ano? Mga ano to? Mga hot sauce? Hot sauces ng mga kaloy. So these are the prices. Ito, cocoa beans. Cocoa beans source is Negros Oriental. Ice cream. Golden bar, sugar, and nuts. Drink up. Calamansi. Calamansi ice cream. Golden drink along the way. That's your people for today.
Number 48.
Chocolate.